I managed to grow one of my Instagram pages to over 100,000 followers solely by using AI tools. And through this strategy, I've been able to generate over $12,000 in passive income since starting this business. It wasn't just about random posting. I focused strategically on motivational AI-driven videos that resonated with my audience. You've probably come across various videos and guides on monetizable shorts, but the unfortunate reality is that most people haven't tapped into their full earning potential. And when I say earning potential, I'm not just referring to the usual suspects like YouTube ad revenue. I'm talking about making substantial income, even if you're starting from scratch with 0 Instagram followers. This might sound far-fetched, but it's entirely possible. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a detailed journey, revealing the exact strategy I used to grow my page to over 100,000 followers and establish a steady stream of passive income. We'll break it all down step by step, from conceptualizing your first idea to earning your first dollar. To kick things off, the cornerstone of my success was focusing exclusively on Instagram Reels, where I employed 2 primary content styles: motivational stoic visuals and animated storytelling videos. Every aspect of this process was driven by AI, making it both efficient and scalable. You might be wondering how these Reels turn into revenue. The answer is surprisingly simple. I sold digital products that were closely related to my niche. What's great about this approach is that if your content resonates and goes viral quickly, you can start making money almost immediately. So where do you start? The first critical step is choosing a topic for your videos. To save you time and effort, I recommend focusing on a topic within one of 3 broad categories: health, wealth, or relationships. These are evergreen niches that consistently attract a large audience. To make your decision easier, I've created a list with over 300 ideas for each category, which you can find linked in the description box. In my case, I opted for motivational self-development, which falls under the health category. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to set up your Instagram account. This is where AI can give you a professional edge from the get-go. You'll want to create an Instagram bio that not only reflects your niche but is also optimized for SEO to attract followers. Here's how you use ChatGPT by prompting it to act as an expert Instagram content creator. Ask it to craft an SEO-optimized Instagram bio using a specific structure tailored to your niche. For my niche motivation and self-improvement, ChatGPT generated 5 distinct bio options, each designed to boost the likelihood of your page being discovered by potential followers. Once your Instagram page is up and running with a compelling bio, it's time to dive into content creation, which is, without a doubt, the most exciting part of this journey. I'll start by walking you through the process of creating motivational stoic videos. Let's consider the quote. The tools we'll use to bring this content to life include ChatGPT for generating content ideas, 11 Labs to create voiceovers, Midjourney to produce the visuals, Immersity to animate those visuals, and CapCut to tie everything together into a polished video. We'll start by opening ChatGPT and asking it to generate a list of motivational self-improvement quotes from various Stoic philosophers, each accompanied by a visual concept that can be used as the background. As you'll see, ChatGPT quickly provides exactly what we need. For example, let's take the quote, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This is a powerful statement that can serve as the foundation of a compelling video. The next step is to head over to 11 Labs to create a voiceover for this quote. I prefer using a voice called John Doe because it aligns perfectly with the Stoic, motivational theme. Once you've generated the voiceover, save it to your device, and we'll move on to the next step. Now that we have the voiceover, it's time to create the background image. This part is straightforward. Simply copy the visual concept provided by ChatGPT and use it as a prompt in Midjourney. Midjourney will generate an image that aligns with the theme in a matter of seconds. However, we're not done yet. This image needs to be brought to life. To animate the static image, we'll use Immersity AI. Upload your image to Immersity, and you'll see an animation automatically applied to it. On the right-hand side, you can choose the animation style that best suits your video's tone. Once you're satisfied with the animation, export the video. At this point, you should have all the elements you need: the voiceover, the animated video, and any accompanying text. Now, it's time to bring everything together using CapCut. Start a new project in CapCut, import the animated video and voiceover, and drag them into the timeline. This is where your video starts taking shape. Next, click on Text and select the option to generate auto captions. Once the captions are generated, select all of them and then choose a caption style from the templates available at the top. I prefer using a clean, white text style for clarity and simplicity. To enhance the visual appeal of your video, you can add effects. I recommend using the Chrome Blur effect, which adds a sophisticated, polished look to your content. By this stage, your video is almost complete. Add some background music and sound effects to give it that final touch of professionalism, and your first video is ready to be published. Here's a preview of the final product. It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Once your video is complete, upload it to your Instagram page, add a captivating caption, and hit post. This process is repeatable, allowing you to consistently create fresh and engaging content that keeps your audience coming back for more. But that's just the beginning. Let's move on to creating a more advanced animation style that will truly captivate your audience. Consider this analogy. Imagine your goal as a mountain. Climbing it isn't easy, but every step brings you closer to the summit. This is where the true power of AI comes into play. I'll guide you through how to create videos with this deeper, more engaging style, which is crucial for building a loyal following. For this, we'll need ChatGPT, 11 Labs, an AI tool called Pika, and once again, CapCut. We'll start by opening ChatGPT and using a specific prompt designed to generate a storytelling script that holds viewers' attention. You'll want to adjust the niche in the prompt to fit your theme. After ChatGPT generates the script, copy it and use 11 Labs to create the voiceover. With the voiceover ready, it's time to generate the animations that will bring your story to life. This is where Pika comes into play. Pika is similar to Midjourney, but it specializes in generating animations. Start by choosing a preferred animation style. Let's go with anime for this example. The next step is crucial. You'll need to create a prompt that accurately reflects the scenes in your script. Here's where another ChatGPT-generated prompt comes in handy. Insert your script into Pika, and it will automatically suggest animation ideas that fit your narrative. These ideas can then be used directly in Pika to generate high-quality animations quickly and efficiently. Once your animations are ready, import everything into CapCut. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Use CapCut's editing tools to weave together the various elements: voiceover, animations, text, and effects into a cohesive, visually stunning video. Consider this. Imagine your goal as a mountain. Climbing it isn't easy, but every step brings you closer to the summit. Don't be intimidated by the obstacles. They're a natural part of the journey. Stay focused, stay determined, and keep climbing. Once your video is polished and ready, upload and publish it on your Instagram page. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Repeat this process regularly to build a rich library of content that engages and inspires your audience. Now that you've mastered the content creation process, let's talk about how to turn your efforts into income. As I mentioned earlier, I've earned over $12,000 by selling digital products that align with my niche. To give you a better understanding, let me introduce you to an account that follows a similar strategy. This account produces motivational videos like mine, but they've also included a link in their bio that directs followers to a website where they sell digital products, such as ebooks and phone wallpapers. This is an excellent model that you can easily emulate. Don't worry if you're not an expert. AI tools and basic design skills on Canva are all you need to create products that sell. You also don't need a fully fledged website right away. Platforms like Gumroad allow you to sell your products directly from your Instagram bio, making the process straightforward and accessible. One crucial thing to remember is that success in this field isn't about luck. It's about numbers and consistency. The more